Look at this amazing grill over here and the logo. This is so beautiful. Welcome to Goreashi. BMW X5 Competition Edition. Hello everybody, I'm over here at BMW at Catonsville. So it's such an amazing place. I mean, look at all the cars. I like their display of all the latest BMW. Right now in front of me, I'm looking at this BMW X5, the competition edition. Oh, can you see it? Oh, I can feel the energy of this car. You know, BMWs are very famous for their performance engines. They're very high performance, and you know, the workmanship is really amazing. Look at this, the detailing, the interior, the tire over here. Wow, I like the side mirror. Look at the design. This 2021 BMW X5 Competition Edition has over 600 horsepower, 553 pound-feet of torque, and you can go from 0 to 60 mile per hour in 3.8 seconds. This is one of the most powerful BMWs, and it has an engine of 4.4 liter V8. Carb weight is 5,425 pounds. Fuel capacity is 21.9 per gallon. So top speed is 177 mile per hour. With such a big brakes, an X5M competition will come to a halt from 670 mile per hour in just under 155 feet, despite its hefty over 5,500 pound dry weight, you know. So this is like massive power. This isn't just another V8, it's a truck ready M twin power turbo engine with advanced cooling system and an enormous output. So if you think about it, this is a supremely powerful, sporty activity vehicle with design and engineering by BMW. So the powerful by design, I mean, think about it. This is not just another V8. It's a truck ready. And you can also enjoy the advanced convenience. I mean, enjoy the tech innovations in it, like the digital key, which lets you lock and unlock the BMW X5 Competition Edition right from your compatible even iPhone. Take it to the next level. The optional competition package increases engine output to 617 horsepower and adds the M Sport exhaust system, glass block, exterior trim, and more. So this car is really amazing, with design and engineering by the legends at BMW M. This muscular, sporty activity vehicle shows off its impressive attributes. Designed to dominate, engineered to excel, the 2021 BMW X5M combines high performance, power with versatility of an SUV. So high-powered engineering unleashed up to 617 horsepower with an available competition package, and feel a new surge of confidence. The racetrack-proven cooling system in the M twin-powered turbo V8 engine includes 4 water pumps, 6 radiators, and a dedicated transmission cooler. So precise gear changes. The 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission adjusts from smooth to aggressive with the 3-stage drive logic shifting system. So manual shifting with steering wheel mounted paddle shifters allow you to take complete control of the road and be safe on the same time. So the seats are designed for control and comfort. Experience the true lateral support with the bolstered construction of standard AM multifunctional seats, adjustable comfort settings, illuminated badging, and marine leather upholstery add like to a luxury touch to it. I mean, So bold the front of the design. The BMW X5's large front air intakes, M in mirrors and M double bar grills prove that powerful design places performance at the forefront. Intensify your look with the glass black finish available with the competition package. So high performance details dominate the road with the rear diffuser and M specific roof spoiler that direct airflow, while a wide rear stance and a quad exhaust show off pure athletic presence. The X5M Competition Edition also includes an available staggered wheel configuration up to 21 inches in the front and 22 inches in the rear. So the dynamics poor precision, the BMW X5's engineering combines concentrated power with remarkable control. The result is an outstanding agility that unleashes your fullest driving potential. So agility is very important while you drive, right? So enhanced handling and agility, the standard M X Drive gives you the true freedom without restraint. Adjusts between 4WD and 4WD Sport for a rear bias sportier drive with the control of a performance-tuned all-wheel drive systems. And one of my favorite is the high-tech experience, right? So enjoy the endless convenience of intuitive features and proactive systems that increases your driving comfort and peace of mind. So enjoy the BMW, the X5, the competition edition, the 2021 version. It's really a beautiful car. BMW X5.